Alula Tour Stage 3 review. Today was very quiet until the very last final, where everyone started to take. My favorite, Paul Double, went very early and didn't get away and ended up not being in the final. Jan Christen, the favorite, also went too early and didn't make it to the final and didn't even get top 5. He was looking like the clear winner, going alone, only with Garofoli on his wheel. Very good drive from him today, but Jan Christen was finally brought back in the last kilometer, and Eulalia went with Igitar and Voisar, and they sprinted for the victory, with Voisar the winner and Eulalia second and Igitar third. That means I finally got a prediction right, saying Igitar would go third. Get in.